Mazda will soon unveil the CX-90, a new 3-row SUV that will replace the CX-9.
We know that production of the 2024 Mazda CX-90 will start by the end of this year, and we've also seen 2 prototypes being tested at high altitudes in Colorado.
How do we know that the shown mules are not the 2-row CX-70 model previously confirmed for the American market? However, if you squint or wear deceptive glasses, you may be able to tell that they possess a 3rd row. Also, our spy photographer noticed that the camouflaged SUVs were longer than the images of the new 2-row Mazda CX-60, which is only sold internationally. The CX-60 will not be offered in the United States, but it includes Mazda's groundbreaking longitudinal-engine architecture, which will also serve as the foundation for the CX-70 and CX-90. In addition to sharing a platform, both US-bound SUVs are expected to offer the same plug-in hybrid powertrain as the European CX-60 we drove. In addition, we are aware that Mazda will equip the CX-70 and CX-90 with its new straight-six engine.
According to the separate fuel doors on both sides, the CX-90 prototypes we discovered are likely plug-in variants with a 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engine and an electric motor positioned between the engine and an 8-speed transmission. The battery pack of the CX-60 has a capacity of 17.8 kilowatt-hours. We cannot be certain, but the CX-90 PHEV should produce approximately 323 horsepower and 369 pound-feet of torque.
The camouflaged CX-90s reveal little new, but they give us our first glimpse at the midsize SUV in operation in the real world.
The camouflage does an adequate job of disguising the vehicle's design, but we believe it will resemble a bigger CX-50, which is a great indication.
Wait till Mazda shows the actual product in the upcoming months.